Hey gang, it's Matt the old FloridaBoy. You know, I've been cooking up Canteen Cup Tuesday meals for almost 10 years in Old Faithful here. And I love everybody's comments about, I would have done this, I would have added that. I love everybody's comments, and believe me, I read every single comment that you guys leave and I respond to every single comment. But I want to make this a little bit better. I want to see your Canteen Cup Tuesday recipes. So here's the deal. By the time you see this video, there will be a community post up on my YouTube page asking to submit your Canteen Cup Tuesday recipes. Please submit the recipes on that community post. Keep your regular comments up on the channel. Those are great. That gives me a lot of ideas. But here's the deal. You submit your recipes to the community post starting on like Wednesdays. I'll run the submissions through maybe Sunday at noon, Sunday afternoon. Then I'll cut it off. Me and Mrs. FloridaBoy will sit down, we'll go through all the recipes, and we'll pick one. Now, it may be the most practical one. It may be the most creative one. It may be the most ridiculous but edible one. I don't know which one it's going to be. And then when we pick that one on Sunday, I'll get the ingredients if I need to on Monday, and I'll make your recipe on Tuesday for Canteen Cup Tuesday, and I'll give you a huge shout out on the channel and give you all the credit for this recipe. Now, there's got to be rules to everything, okay? And rule number one, it's got to fit in the Canteen Cup. You can't make 3 pots full and then just scoop it up here. What we're going to make has got to fit in the Canteen Cup, okay? Rule number 2, let's try to keep it to maybe like 5 ingredients or less. Canteen Cup Tuesday was supposed to be what you would just scrounge up and cook on the trail if you were day hiking or you were overnight camping or you were out doing whatever you wanted to do. So let's try to keep the refrigerated items or the frozen items to a bare minimum, because there ain't no refrigerator or freezer out on the trail. Number 3 is no freeze-dried stuff. If I wanted freeze-dried stuff, I could go buy a pouch of that Mountain House garbage and just boil some water up in here and throw it in there. That's not really cooking. There's a lot you can do in a Canteen Cup with non-refrigerated items that's a ton better than the Mountain House dehydrated stuff. And number 4, the last but not least, let's make it realistic, okay? What could you realistically bring along with you in your pack that wouldn't take up much space, that you could cook up in the field and it would be relatively good? So here's where you get to participate. Please submit your recipes to the community page and the community post that is up on the channel right now, right this minute. Submit your recipes. We'll run it Wednesday through Sunday. I'll pick one and I'll cook up your recipe on Tuesday. So let's see what y'all have to say about Canteen Cup Tuesday. I think this is going to be really, really fun, and I'm really, really curious to see what you're going to submit. So please give me your recipes and let me know how you think that I should cook them. So until we meet again, this is Matt the old FloridaBoy, and I will see you on the trail with your recipe.